is a very important issue. Yes, yeah, politics, but the way Afenyo-Markin as a what good ni seat ni hufino. You see, no, let us get this very seriously, right? Over the position of a majority leader, minority leader, we speak everywhere. The next, say either majority or minority leader, and these are key positions within Parliament, a coveted position. But if we the way Afenyo Kasa, the way we Kasa, I mean, sometimes you see, if you want to make a case, we do see TTM Parliament. Abraham was said, "Do nom any braba no leaders in Parliament or MPP side." But the way sometimes he will shout his choice of words, sometimes his words are too piercing. I don't know. He should be taught communication. The way he communicate airtime. So there are names. I mean, there are names because you see, opanyi due matimanti. What do I say? Assembly wa ese damfo ano, assembly wa ese akwa ano. Enka wo ye panyi no. Hwema se be backbenchers no. Raising certain issues in Parliament. What do I say? And there be a ban as a 2 year, they're 2 pentia. And can walk and you bum. But I did a backbenchers by no. I find you on the dear anymore. And I think, say, I mean, what the Guasia and some that respect. Oh, yes, that respect. Not, I mean, say, we a leader. You should carry out a well researched, information also the tuja. But you don't follow this negative propaganda, backbenchers, foot soldiers, pedestrian statements. I also want to make Now, Afenyo-Markin of his stature. No kwajina ebra president Abema State Donation Addresser. If we are seeing in what you the August House of Parliament. I'm making this unguarded statement. Ya chwa jina say, Krachi, asma wokano. Sabi ensuo nyina mu twesai wo se da ene yes the case be referred to the privileges committee na wo kwa wo stress yenye live telecast no be anhwe. Now we are going to prove your friends the minister in charge, you are going to prove them wrong, and he mentioned names. Bob, or I mean, trying to say zoom into Obabi so Obabi show me was is it Zipnet or whatever that company now no money ding. A company they have been there more MP for my pencil. More use our company no Juma on several occasions. And if that company was company or a corrupter, say no, why did you not blow the whistle? Whilst we were using that company, now muni hono and na. Sabi ubabe I mean sani maya Afenyo-Markin here no sabi wo good position nanimu ase amma sabi e kame ase sabi obia nipa bia to me koye majority leader, and I think say it is about time the MPP began to sit up and then say as a bawumia mo yes on ba besesa no kra na me de because sa position no enye obi ana no ye periperi enye obi asabi asemwa enye well research asemwa ye ensuo nim na panyimu na una ko gina na why do you expect the backbenchers
enti ho na wote
because I mean say no
but very important
say no the parliament no
the other one or apologize in no yeah the one or touching on about recruitment
yeah that is the recruitment process now say more MPP for Abraham was no that ben I would say me wo kono that ben I me say kono ye recruitment babete so we ye fire for panyi oh ha ba yo bia na mantam wo be say no o se fire for uniform oh so ebe na 3 months ni ye coat training e won kran ene ewie na wo na obi so say ayi post atade ayi na be frɛ ye say ye din ye de ko ene ya fire. You never advertise for your friends say what kind of corruption be na chance say mumu ye recruitment to sumasi
so atwen san apache
I mean eyanim guase it is better you sometimes when you keep quiet so me wan na so wagimi kura na ye hu so wagimi
me da say ma me nkomanim some opoku Samuel Also a friend na opoku dynamic